As you can see, I have two fabric, one is black and one is brown. So I will use this both and make one kurti. So let's start with cutting. First I will fold the fabric lengthwise, as you can see. Now first I will measure the length of my kurti. So length is 42 plus 1 inch is 43. Now we will measure the shoulder. My shoulder measurement is 7.7 inches. And from shoulder we will mark again 7.7 inches for armhole. Now we will mark armhole to waist, which is 7 inches. And waist to hip, which is 7.5 inches. Now draw a straight line from shoulder to armhole. Now we will measure the bust. Bust divide by 4 plus 1 inch. So 33.5 divided by 4 is 8.3 plus 1 inch is 9.3. Now we will measure the waist. Waist divided by 4 plus 1 inch. So 31.5 divided by 4 is 7.8 inches. So you can take 8 inches and plus 1 inch is 9. Now we will measure the hip. So hip divided by 4 plus 1 inches. So 35 divided by 4 is 8.7. You can take 9 inches plus 1 inch is 10 inch. Now we will join bust, waist and hip. The first line was for fitting and the second line is for cutting. From hip, join the line till length and our marking is done. Now we will cut the fabric. Cut the second fabric similarly. Cut both fabric from the center. So now we have 4 pieces, 2 for front and 2 for back, and how to stitch this I will show you in the next one. So stay tuned, like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.